Design Stairs offers builders worldwide assembled custom stair systems that are delivered to the job site ready for rapid installation. These are the most complete packages in the stair industry, as we provide every component, including fasteners, plugs, and instructions. Developed through our experience of over 40 years of custom stair fabrication, our systems are custom built in our shop to match your framing dimensions at the job site. You can quickly set the stair and assemble the rail system. Engineered newels are precision cut and offer a stronger, faster, and better looking alternative to site build projects. Balusters are pre-cut and clearly labeled for each location, and each rail section has been individually fabricated and pre-drilled with the proper baluster spacing. Our assembled stair systems are available in dozens of styles and wood species and allow you to achieve a high level of stair building excellence. Design Stairs has successfully completed over 100,000 stair projects from coast to coast in the U.S. and as far away as Japan, England, and South America. Whether your stair project calls for a curved, spiral, landing, or straight stair design, contact us to get a competitive quotation from our industry-leading design team.